I would like to
Make an announcement.
I would like to make an announcement.
Sound check.
Tayo kayo lahat.
Mr. President.
Announcement.
Good evening, everyone. I would like to make a short announcement. As you all know, we are all here.
We are celebrating the 58th anniversary of our very good friend Joe and Margaret. Wedding anniversary. And of course, we are, as you all know, we are your true friends. That's why we are here. And also, Joe is my...
Classmate?
No, not my right hand. Joe has been in our club for almost 10 years now.
Oh.
So he's really one of my loyal officers. So in behalf of our club and of your friend, we like to say happy wedding anniversary. Thanks. Stay another how many years?
10 more years. 20 years.
50 years.
10 years. 20 years.
Congratulations.
Salamat po.
Salamat po.
Okay, so we can only afford a cake for you. So that's all you'll get from the Luzbimin. Oh, light up now. You will be on the TV.
Light up my life.
Yeah, YouTube. YouTube. You'll be on the YouTube. Okay, okay, hold on. And of course, hold on. I'm not done yet. And of course, tonight we have a special guest, a good singer, none other than Mr. Rico
Puno.
Sanchez.
All right.
Direct from San Agustin Church.
May party.
He will sing for Margaret and Joe.
All right. Serenade.
What's your favorite song?
Love song.
Dahil sa'yo.
Hey!
Hey! What is that? Ay, mga nasa TV yan, makikita ng mga anak mo. Ayan o, naka-YouTube ka eh. YouTube? Ano mga bita? TV.
Tapos na.
Pag nakita ng mga anak mo yan, ako si Mami. Sabik na. Umawak. Hold on.
Yan na. Okay.
Dedicated to Joe and Margaret.
All right. Okay. Clear. Kiss out, kiss. Kiss muna, kiss.
Nice to you.